Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question in a topic of margin of error. Let's read. A fitness center surveyed 400 members to find out how many would sign up for a new wellness program. The results show that between 54% and 60% of members are interested. What is the margin of error? Now, since we haven't got any midpoint given here, we have to find it out ourselves, which makes our way longer, but that's all right. Now, these are the information we need to find out the midpoint and the margin of error, both at the same time, actually. That is good, at least. Now, we have to find the range, right? And the range is found out if you subtract the biggest number of data you got and the smallest number, in this case 60 and 54, that equals to 6%. That is the range. That is not the margin of error yet, by the way. Now, to find out the midpoint. Midpoint means basically mean, to find out the mean. So what do you do when you find out the mean? You add all the data and divide by the number of data you got. So we gotta do that. 54 plus 60 divided by what? Divided by the data you got. So you got only 2 data, so you divide it by 2, right? That equals to 6 divided by 2. And why divided by 2? Because on one side we divide by 2, so we gotta do the same thing on the other side. That is pretty basic. Now, 54 plus 60 is 114 divided by 2 equals to 6 divided by 2. 114 divided by 2 is 57. That equals to 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our midpoint is 57% midpoint. And our margin of error is 3% of error. Now, how can you see that you've done it correctly? You can just add 3 to 57. That is our midpoint, so you can just add 3 there. 60 and take away 3. That is going to be 54, so that is exactly what we done here. So you done it correctly, right? Now, let's see which choice is the correct answer. A says 57 with a margin error of 6%. 6% is our range, so that's why I said don't confuse yourself. Did I already say that? I'm not sure, but don't confuse yourself with the range. That is the incorrect answer. B says 57% with a margin of error of 3%. That is most likely the answer. I'm gonna take that. C says between 54 and 60% of all members are interested in the program. See, that is correct, that is true, but it isn't the correct answer. Why? Because they asked us for the margin of error and they didn't give us anything about the margin of error, so it's true, but it's the incorrect answer in this case. And D says if another random sample of 400 members are surveyed, 57% would show interest. That is incorrect because we need the margin of error in our answer. So the choice B is the only correct answer to this question. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.